Since last 52 years, our center is doing a yeoman service in the area of violence against women and torture against street children and also ex-criminals, tribes. We are doing the activities in the area of prevention by giving a kind of an education for the victims, survivors, and also to the communities and the families. Why is it important? Always think that prevention is better than cure. So educating the people on their rights is very much important. Make them to be bold enough and confident enough to face the situation. And secondly, we are also working in redressal, rehabilitation and reformation. How we are doing it? The lay counselors, those who are community volunteers, whom we call it as Mahila Mitra, they talk to these women and give them a solace and tell them that there is a hope in life. And when it comes to the rehabilitation, the woman thinks that once she is victimized and she has faced lot of violence with mental agony, mental torture, physical torture and with injuries. The physical torture is being dealt with the medical team of VRCT. They treat them after diagnosis and also, if required, provide referral services to the appropriate medical agency to get the treatment, both for physical and mental health. And we are also giving skills for the women survivors and women victims of violence, and also providing them a credit support to start their enterprises and to live with dignity and respect and start a mini enterprise, maybe a petty shop, maybe a vending, but to build a kind of a confidence in the woman. Yes, I too can live. That makes a difference in the woman. Since last 4 years, we have started an initiative called a community-led action with the police. The women at the police station started with 21 police stations, now expanded to 1258 police stations in Andhra Pradesh, southern part of India. Each police station there are community volunteers. They are trained on number of laws which are required, starting from the child marriage, domestic violence, violence against women, rape and abuse and sexual harassment at workplace, all these things. Because in a patriarchal society, the women are facing lot of abuse at different places, at different levels. So the women are trained and they became confident, and now they are dealing the community level issues and even approaching the police stations. And if the things are going wrong, they are questioning it. So hats off to IRCT for making VRCT as part of the journey since all these years, and making a journey not alone, but making a journey with all the members of IRCT is a great experience for VMM, and we are looking forward for IRCT to have more partnerships and to work with a gender focus. Thank you so much.